Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about Babur's early life and the establishment of the Mughal dynasty. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The Mughal dynasty, founded by Babur in 1526 AD, Babur was also called Zahir-ud-Din Muhammad Babur, was born in the small kingdom of Fergana, present time Uzbekistan, on 1483 AD. So in this map, you can see where Fergana is located in present time. Just a moment, and here Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, New Delhi, and Fergana. Here we go, and here it is, Fergana. Fergana is about 420 km east of Tashkent, and Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan. Here you can see how far Fergana is from India. Baba's father name was Umar Sheikh Mirza and mother's name was Kutuk Nigar Khanum. So basically, Babur's father was not satisfied with his small kingdom, due to which his brother and other relatives were not friendly. And after the father's death in 1494, Baba became the ruler of Fergana at the age of 11. He faced many difficulties as soon as he became the ruler, and he was influenced by Taimur victories from the beginning and wanted to obtain his capital Samarkand. Twice he tried to win from it but could not be able to establish dominance on it due to the effect of Uzbek in Central Asia. Babur twice had to wander around on several occasions, losing the capital Andijan of Fergana. At the same time, Babur took control of Kabul and Ghazni and increased his military power without any interference by interfering in the unstable and weak politics of Afghanistan. In 1511 AD, Babur conquered Samarkand and ruled the vast empire of Central Asia. But after relations with Iran's ruler Shah Ismail deteriorated, Uzbek again took Samarkand from Babur. Babur came to Kabul in 1531 AD, and the whole Central Asia Empire came out of his hand. Babur heard the incident of the invasion of Tamur by an older woman in 1503 AD, which encouraged Babur to make four initial attacks which took place in 1519, 1520, 1524 respectively. The purpose of these initial four invasions was to suppress the Yusufzai rebellion and gain knowledge of Indian borders. In 1524, he captured Punjab, Diwalpur and Lahore. Dissatisfied with Daulat Khan, his son Dilawar Khan and Alam Khan were given the dominance of Punjab by Babur, but Daulat Khan regained Punjab as soon as Babur left. Hearing this news, Babur decided to attack India. The reason for Babur invasion of India are as follow. Babur was ambitious from the beginning and wanted to establish a large empire. The desire to conquer India was the result of this ambition. Due to political failure in Central Asia, he planned to attack India. The then political condition of India was favorable for the invasion. All the states were in conflict and were divided among themselves. The states of the South India were also in conflict and did not have any interest in the politics of North India. Iranians and Uzbeks could not invade Kabul due to their involvement in mutual conflict in West Asia. Hence, Babur was free to implement India's plan of conquest. While living in Kabul, he had developed his ability and means like weapons. Also, the income from Kabul was very low, so he was highly motivated by the longing to acquire the wealth of India. Daulat Khan Lodhi, the Subedar of Punjab, wanted his independent kingdom in Punjab, and Ibrahim Lodhi's uncle Alam Rata Lodhi wanted to become the Sultan of Delhi. So both of them invited Babur to attack India. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will come back soon with another new video, so stay connected with me.